What's up YouTube? It's Sierra and I'm back here with another video. Sorry that it's been a year. I'm 17 now. My birthday passed in October. Woo! Today we are going to do a get ready with me video. Hope you enjoy! First, I'm going to add on my foundation. This is my favorite foundation. Whatever. Okay, anyways. It's Matte Plus Poreless. It makes me look so pale, but that's what I look like in the winter. And I just gotta beat your face. Just beat that face. I dropped it. This is my concealer. This is my favorite one. All the Oh my god, I already look so beautiful. I don't need makeup, but it's a get ready with me. I don't know what I'm doing. Who is texting me in the middle of a video? I lost my eyelashes, so with that part, we're just not gonna have eyelashes today. Next we do is our eyebrows. How I do my eyebrows is I look for the shape that my eyebrows go. Sometimes I'll take the little brush, do that. Sometimes I'll do it like that too. Okay, next, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your favorite palette, whichever palette. And what I do is I take the cool brown. It's over here. So if you want it a little bit darker, take the same shadow and go over. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the same eyeshadow brush, dip it in your foundation, and take it to your crease. Should look like that. Now, just a reminder, I'm not no makeup artist. I'm not a professional. I do not know how to do makeup. I just do whatever comes to my mind and whatever I've been looking at on Instagram. I want to become a beauty guru. It just depends on what you guys want. Okay, your next step is to take off your powder that you put on your face. Only where your eyes are. Now where you did your eyes, you want to take your favorite mascara and just apply it to your eyelashes. Welcome back. Sorry, the camera has died. Had to run down the stairs to get a new battery. So now that you have put on your mascara, you're going to take this. You're going to take the brown, your bronzer. And then what you're going to want to do is take the crown, contour your forehead, contour the crap out of your forehead. Now you're going to take your favorite highlighting palette, whichever palette you have, honestly. I like a lot of highlight. So, I'm like Jeffree Star. I wish Jeffree Star noticed me. I would love to be friends with him. And Shane Dawson, oh my gosh, I love them both. Now after that, you're going to take lip gloss. Well, I'm putting on my lip gloss. You put on chapstick, whatever. I'm running out. This is my favorite one. Oh.
6.5 hours later.
I found eyelashes. You guys should let me know if you want me to do a mukbang, because I've been watching them and I've been wanting to do it on camera for so long. Put on an eyelash. Here's your finished look. That'll be it for the makeup. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like the video or dislike it, whatever. Have a great day. Bye.